guys, so today we're gonna tackle the fridge because I have a few containers with old food from Thanksgiving. Yes, I know. So we're gonna do that now because I gotta do dishes, so might as well just clean the fridge because we're gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow and I wanna make sure my fridge is clean. Fridge is clean, you guys. So much better this looks now. I forgot to show you the before, but I'm sure you guys noticed when I started cleaning how bad it was. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see, your girl did her whole face. Today we wanted to beat the face, okay? Today we're gonna tackle underneath my sink because you guys, the mess that I have there. So this is how this looks down here. A whole mess. And as you guys can see, I have these containers and this one, and there's like two more on the back, and I still have a mess. Like, why? Please explain why. So we're gonna do that today, okay? So this is how everything looks now. Still looks a little crazy to me, but way better than before. This, I'm going to try to order some strips and hang it in here because I can use this space to put soap and stuff like that, because I actually need this space. But right now, this is how we're looking. Very, very nice. Hey guys, so it's so much later in the day right now. And to be honest, I haven't been able to record much because my baby's teething. He has a new tooth coming out. And he has been very, like, clingy and uncomfortable. And I want to pay attention to him and comfort him, you know. So I'm thinking I'm going to be adding some clips that I recorded like 3 weeks ago that I never was able to upload. It was like a cozy type of day that I had with my baby. Yes, my love, Mama is here. And I'm going to be inserting those clips into this vlog. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday. We're not going outside. It's just me and my baby today. Today's plan is to, you know, have a relaxed day. I changed my sweater because I was not feeling it, you guys. I was like, this do not look nice. So my baby's still asleep. Now I'm going to be reading this book. I've been reading, well, I haven't been reading it. I started reading it last month. As you guys can see, I'm not even halfway through this book, because for some reason I stopped reading it. But I'm gonna be reading this book now. I'm on page 123 and I believe this has like 580 pages. So your girl is very much behind. I'm gonna just get comfy and read my little book now that my baby's asleep. Somebody woke up. He always wakes up crying. Always wakes up crying. So we have a big shark. Un tiburón grande. And we have a small tiny shark. Un tiburón pequeño. Yeah, and that's a fish. Un pez. And this is another fish. Christmas tree. Yeah, tree. It looks beautiful. Mama put it just for you. You love your sopa, huh? Yummy. Can Mama continue reading her book? You can go play over there. I already played with you. You ate soup. I changed you because you got all dirty. No? I guess that's a no, you guys. Come. You wanna be with Mama up here? Look, Mama can read this one, and I'm gonna get you one for you, okay? Look. Tú miras este libro, this page. You can look at it. See? And Mama's gonna read this one, okay? Look, like this. Mouth, ears, eyes, and nose. Touch your ears, make them wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Your toes on your feet. Yes, feet. The end. All done. Se acabó. So I think I read like 5 pages, but somebody wants my attention. Yeah. Let's look for Christmas. Girl got some pizza. So your girl got a veggie pizza, which I've been wanting for a while. This is a pizza. It smells so yummy. That's pizza. But you're not eating that, okay? Mama's eating pizza. Cheers, you guys. You guys, I'm going to try to make that lasagna soup that everybody's making. I got all the ingredients. So I think I'm gonna make it tonight for dinner for myself. But let's see how this tastes and let's see how we make it. Okay, you guys, let's see how this tastes. It looks good. It does taste good, you guys. Ten out of 10, recommend. It's good. It's really good.